our Welcome Japan channel. Welcome to our Welcome Japan channel. I'm Ganjang.
I'm Ui.
So now we are here at the Asakusa. Here we know as a very traditional street in Tokyo. So here there are a lot of what symbol in Japan and also a checkpoint. So we will show you guys it. Let's go!
Let's go!
Welcome back to our Welcome Japan channel. Continue from last video, we are still in the Asakusa area. Here is one of the most visited tourist destinations. You can feel the great historical site complex and the old downtown atmosphere here. And the symbol here is this main entrance, Kaminarimon Gate. And if you look at the bottom of the lantern, you can see this dragon-shaped engraving. Such a beautiful and detailed engraving, right? To take a picture of this is said to bring luck. Supposed. And walking through the main entrance, you will see one of the attractions of Asakusa is this shopping street, Nakamise Street. There are not many shops open today due to the emergency statement, but here used to be lined with numbers of shops, so you can try a lot of traditional street food here. Here is connecting the main gate of Sensoji Temple, Kaminarimon Gate, and the main hall of Sensoji Temple. And here it is. So most people will stop here to take some photos. So you can have a photo with traditional Japanese architecture on your back. And then we enjoy walking inside the main hall of temple. Here there is an incense-filled place. It's in front of the temple. People said that if you blow smoke from the incense, you'll be healed from pains in your body. Blah blah blah.
Now I can stay healthy.
You are right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Some people also wear a yukata to match the theme. Alright, let's step up to the temple and pray for luck. Wonder what they're playing. Job, family, or for Ganchan, maybe love? Now, if we move to the left of the temple, we can reach Hanayashiki. If you see, you might think that this is just a simple and small amusement park, but actually here is the oldest amusement park in Japan. And also you can see the view of Asakusa area and also Tokyo Skytree from the attraction inside here. And beside the entrance of this amusement park, you will see a Japanese style door. Here is the photo spot for this amusement park. If you check out Instagram, you will find that most Japanese girls wearing yukata will take a photo here with their friends. We didn't wear yukata today, but we were just taking photo like we were. And walk next to that place, you will find one of the popular photo spots in this area.
ここです。
Look at these tiny and colorful windmills. You might have seen some photos of tourists with kimono in front of that colorful windmills. They are made by traditional paper or origami. So you can enjoy and have this Japan-style photo in this photogenic spot. Now, if we move to the right from the temple, you can see the head of Tokyo Skytree. Walk that way and you will reach Sumida Park. Here is a big park located along the Sumida River. It is really popular for many people gathering here to enjoy the cherry blossom in the spring and to view fireworks in the summer. But not only that.
これ綺麗ですよね。
Here is also the best place for people who want to take a photo with the Tokyo symbol, Tokyo Skytree. Here is the best place, since if you go to the Skytree itself, it'll be too high to frame it on your photo. Check this! Also, here is one and only photo spot. If you walk inside the park entrance about 100 meters, you will see this white monument. You can take a picture like this. Beside this monument, there is also another unique artwork here. So better come check this place for dating or walking. And that's our recommended spots in the Asakusa area. If you can come visiting this area, we hope this will help. And as always, if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!